Good afternoon, Roch from High Techniques here. We are down in the Ursuline College, just setting out on a new slab. We're here with the Zoom95 and Woodlawn Developments. There's Paddy in the background doing his thing. And there's the Ursuline College in the background doing its thing. So what we're doing today is we're setting out grid lines for the new slab. One of the nicest jobs when you've finished your slab pour, pressure's off for a couple of days and you get a clean slab and a clear run at put the grid lines down. And so grid lines, most walls, columns, all that are built on a grid line or a grid system that you can match with your measure with your tape and the reference to everything else. So that's where we're at today. So as you can see there, the total station is set up there on the slab and fixed to the slab. Screwed down in case any wind blows over. We have a tripod there at the base of the tripod, and we've then fixed them there and there and there. So there's no way to blow over in the wind, and it's a good way of keeping it steady as well as it's working. So that's working away there now, and Paddy's setting out a grid line along the front, and that's following him along. He's here working away there, and he's putting the shots down as we go. Just when we're doing a set out, we have a bit of a pro tip here for setting out if you're ever doing grid lines, and it has chalk line, red oxide or black. Usually on the chalk line it says how severe it is based on how long you want it to leave there. If you don't want it to have it on the slab, you usually use a lighter blue, but for setting out grids, certainly that you don't want to get them lost. You can see it here now. Number 3 is marked here, and it's called a permanent scale. So red oxide is 3 out of 4 on the permanent scale, and the black one is 4 out of 4. So if you're setting out on a slab, you can see the lines there. Now if you want to keep the red lines there and you don't want to wash away with the rain, the other alternative is to paint over it with spray. So if you paint over that with spray, white or yellow, it seals the line, and it also keeps it from the rain washing away. So that line will be there after. So red oxide and white or yellow marking spray, and then you'll have your lines stuck on the slab and they're weatherproof, and you won't have to go set them out again. So to protect it, just spray across the top of it with white or yellow paint, and it'll be there. That's it. So here it is. Here's Paddy working away along the edge, and we're going to set this line out, chalk it out, get that set up. You'll see it afterwards, all coming through. I'm here with my mate, Paddy McGuigan.
Alright.
Paddy McGuigan, he's not related to Barry. He wasn't threatening to bait me or anything. Anyway, Paddy got a Zoom90 from us because he wanted to set out his own work, and he just wanted to learn how to set it out and get it going. And here we are. His first main project on the Zoom90 in the Ursuline College. We're around here. Here we are. Paddy, just a quick word on why you wanted to move on to be independent, and what was your process?
Well, I suppose really going back and I suppose other projects in the past, we were always relying on other consultants and for setting out, and maybe it's taken a lot of time. There's a cost element also, and it was something that I was looking to get into, to setting out my own projects, and I have been talking to Roch on the phone previously, and we initially had a discussion, and the way it was, we decided to purchase a GeoMax from High Technics. Now, there was excellent service. The backup was excellent. There was a few tutors down in with Philip, down in the Greenogue Industrial Estate, and the way it was, Roch had come out on site as well, just shows the setup. So, to be honest with you, at the very start, it was a bit sort of maybe confusing, but once you get the head around it, and with the help of the guys, hey, and they have a good back office as well if there's any questions need to be asked, like, you know. So really, it's straightforward. It's a good machine. The total station, it cuts a lot of cost down. It cuts a lot of work down, like, you know, once you get your head around it.
And how do you find the software, expat software, Paddy?
The expat software also, it's just a matter of sitting down and getting your head around it, like, you know. But once you do get your head around it, it's pretty straightforward, like, you know. It's a great bit of software. Everything in it's what you need, and as I say, if there's anything that you need, we can always go back and ask the guys in High Technic. There's good backup service there also.
Cool. Okay, folks, leave you at it. Thank you.